Hi, this is Greg Lowe. This is another video in the SDU Tools series on finding a string within a database. The most common scenario where I've used this in the past has been where there's been an attempt to mask data in a database to protect private information or personally identifiable information, and yet that hasn't been done successfully. So we carry out a brute force search of all of the strings and XML and everything within the database to see if any of that data still exists. Why I came across this a little while ago as an example is I found a database that they thought had been masked, but in this case, where I found data was in the metadata stored in XML, but it was metadata for images. It's very easy to miss some of this data. So in this case, we're going to call find string within a database. I'm looking in the Wide World Importers database, which is the sample I created for Microsoft. We're going to look for the word Kayla, and I don't first up want to see all the data. We just want to see if it's present. So let's try this. And it says that Kayla appears in 1 row in the application people table and 8 rows in the people archive table. We might want to have a look at exactly where it appears. Let's execute that. First of all, we might have wanted to make sure there weren't too many rows. But in this case, it'll then show us the same information as before. It'll then show us the first table where the data exists, and we can see this is data from the people table, and then there are also entries in the people archive, and it's showing us all the rows related to that. It looks in all the string type columns and the XML columns. I hope you find this procedure to be useful. For more information on SDU Tools and for a link to download them, please visit our site at www.sqldownunder.com.